Well, bado huko. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. So, bado tunatembea. Bado natafuta hiyo Lily Lake and yes, hapa inatuambia. So where is the Lily Lake? I think tufuate kelele. Imetuambia. So I think so tukifuata kelele tutafika hiyo Lily Lake, si ndio? Let's follow the noise. We might get to where the Lily Lake is. Because hapa inatuonyesha direction. Let's see. Bicycle trail. That is for bikers. I think so. I think we are finally at the Lily Lake and the. Ama hii ni shule. Ama this is a school, man. I don't know where these places are. If you have an idea where, if I'm lost, man. But this looks like a school, like a field. Ama maybe it's a school that came to visit. But there are people kuna watu wanatokea hii design. Kuna watu wanatokea hii design, so it must be okay kupitia hii design. We, anyway, inakaa kama mtu akienda hivi, it's like kama this is the gate, because I don't want to blunder again nijipata nimeenda kwa gate tena. Ama maybe I was supposed to go straight here.
Who did I see?
Imagine funny thing.
So tunaenda wapi, man? Are we lost ama? Maybe it might be somewhere here. But anyway, niliwaambia guys, this is the place naenda. So since I don't know where I'm going to, who gives a fucky? Who gives a fucky? Guys, ebu subscribe, guys. Guys, you better subscribe, man. You guys had better subscribe. You better subscribe. You better comment. You better like the videos. Ama this is the Lily Lake. Ama hii ndio Lily Lake. Is this the Lily Lake? Are these lilies? You guys in the comment section, ebu niambieni, are these lilies here ama what are these? Are these lilies? Hello. Inakaa gate to Lily Lake. Signed on. I've just realized, guys, this K-Fit area means Wazito. Ni aje? Hiyo Lily Lake iko wapi? Hivi jo. Alafu nikienda bado naweza rudi bado hivi bado. Sina interest ya huku. Sina nataka kwenda huko kwa Lily Lake huko. Please do not feed me. Don't feed the monkeys. Huku ni kwa picnic. So Let's keep going there. I think so tuko on the right track, sindio? Because tumeambiwa we keep left. Let us tuachane na hiyo road. Let us leave the main road. And let us use this other route here. At least tuachane na hiyo route ya magari. Sisi magari man. Sino to Mitsubishi. Yes, this is I'm filming myself. You see where the lens is facing? It's facing me. That teacher alikuwa na usoro. You see where the lens is facing? It's facing me. What the fuck was wrong with her, man? Ah, see, I was here. See, we were here, guys. Anyway, let's now do it proper then. Then we just missed one turn. We just missed one turn. This is where we were supposed to go, to the Lily Lake. Anyway, guys, finally we are here. I told you guys that kupotea ndo kujijua ndo kujipata. Ah yes, and you can actually see the water lilies now from here. You can actually see the water lilies from here. Yes, so there you have it. This is the Lily Lake. Is it a lake or a swamp? It looks like just a swamp. Something swampy. Is it a lake? Is this a lake? This is not even it's not a lake as per se. But it is what it is. If they call it a lake, who are we to call it otherwise? So let's see. Do not litter. But anyway, this is a perfect place for you to come. Maybe if you are lucky to have your loved one with you, maybe you guys just come, you chill, you know, spend the day together. You reconnect and connect by the Lily Lake. Naka, it goes no further, so we go back. Naka, it goes no further, so let's go back the way we came back, the way we came, because I believe we have already gone this way. So guys, as you can see, this is the Lily Lake, and these are the water lilies. You see how beautiful they normally are. These are what are called water lilies. These ones here. These ones here. Those colorful things there. I wonder if there are fish inside this water. I don't know if you know if there's fish inside the water. Let me know, man. Let me know. Tell a brother. When we were young, we used to eat these things. But saizi ukizikula, your tumbo is going to tell you